Hey everybody, welcome to the live. If you see the red button, I'm still live. My name's Debbie, and tonight I'm going to be sharing an idea with y'all and some information on things I don't want you to miss. So hop on, say hello, let me know where you're watching from. Let me get us pulled up. The other day, Jenny was live and it didn't even show up on my feed. Isn't that crazy? I gotta get everybody's comments rolling. Y'all, it's a lot. It's a lot. And it's worth it to see everybody. I hope y'all had an awesome day. Y'all, it got up to like 82 degrees today. Is that on? Yeah. Tonight, the key word is amen. Hey, Deborah. I'm on a little late. We had a meeting. Just all kinds of fun stuff going on. And then tonight's project, I want to send it to one of you guys. I'm going to have a question later towards the end for you to have a chance to, for me to send it to you. Happy mail. So be sure to hang around. Hey, Kathy. Y'all let me know if you're sprinkling, all the things. All the goody things. Okay, first of all, let me tell y'all, we've got so much stuff going on. It is March is Perks Palooza month, so there's something going on all the time. And I put all the information, like if you type the word amen, you're going to get a message that's got all kinds of good information. And also tonight in the supply list, I added a fuzzing towel and a board eraser, because those have been out. All right, let me show y'all some of the stuff that is in the last chance section. These carrots, this design. Y'all, this is like spring, take it all the way to summer, but it's in the last chance. Here's some more items that are in last chance. And y'all, this cross, it's rustic cross. When things go into last chance, it's usually because they're running low. So if you see any of these that you like, there's tons of them. I just grabbed a few because they're stinking cute. And look, all of my friends that have chickens, this is totally a year-round goodies. And this is another item. And I haven't actually created with this, so hopefully I can create with it tomorrow. Hey, Marcia. This is 3 stand-up bunnies. They're all different sizes. And they have stands that go with them. So stinking cute. Anyway. Right now, we have a lot of stuff that's buy one, get one free. So like if you put one of the items in the cart, put the other one in there so you can get 2. And one's buy one, get one free. I always I want to make sure that I tell y'all everything because I would want y'all to tell me everything. Hey, Helene. Hey, Vera. Hey, Pam. So y'all be sure whenever you get that message, you're going to type amen, you're going to get a message from me. It is going to have, I even found some white spiral notebooks. This is what I want to send one of you guys tonight. Tammy, they weren't a few minutes ago. Let me check. Tammy says the carrots are out of stock. I checked right before I came on here. They were out of stock at one time, then they restocked. They are available. The carrots are available. And the transfer too. They're both in the last chance. So I know they were out of stock one time, but hey, they restock stuff all the time. Thank goodness. Especially those board erasers. As y'all know, they were out for a while. They are back. I got to get myself together. Anyway, and I love this. It says, forever and ever, amen. This could go on anything, but I thought it would be perfect on a notebook. So the carrots are not out of stock. They are available. So if you want them, Here it is. Come and get it. Oh my goodness. I'm crazy. I can't help it. I just love it, and I don't want y'all to miss anything. So, like if you're a Perks or a designer, you place a $50 order, guess what? You're gonna get a pot of gold, but it's really shimmer gold paste. But you're gonna get it. Hey Sheila, let's see, what does Sheila say? What did Sheila say? How are you? I am great. I know my hair looks a little messy, y'all. It was 82, windy, and awesome today. Now listen, anytime you're doing like a notebook, you're doing paper, because you know you can use our transfers on cardstock, on watercolor paper, you know, in addition to all the other stuff we use it on. Shirts, chalkboards, that kind of thing. So add a lot of fuzz. Add a lot of fuzz. What have y'all been doing today? Hey, let me know in the comments who wants to win this notebook. Who wants to get some Happy Mail? Happy Mail. I'm sure I forgot to tell y'all something, but don't fear. Oh, this is the Forever and Ever Amen is in Last Chance also. Hey, did y'all know that you can use our transfers on paper? So if you are a scrapbooker, you can use it. Hey, Christine. Listen, for everybody that's telling me that y'all want to win it, why don't y'all tell me what you would use it for? Y'all know, y'all may not know this, but I love office supplies. I love fresh notebooks. I love fresh pens, paper, you name it. I love it. And look, I'm going to use, this is Nominee, but your shimmer gold that you're going to get with a $50 order is very close to this. And black velvet. This is a stinking easy project, but I thought it was a great time to let y'all know about all of the Perks specials. And listen, if you're not a Perks member and you sign up, you're going to get a discount code to use later. So if you've ever wanted to try Perks, now's the time to do it. Church notes, I love that. Jan Sprinkle, I love it. Teresa loves Happy Meal. I bet Renee loves Happy Meal. Hey Pam. All right. Yeah, look at all y'all wanting Happy Meal. I'm going to have to be ready. I've got one little question that I'm going to ask the winner. And look, I can only ship in the U.S. So I'm going to use Nominee for Amen. And I'm always like very nervous when I'm doing something that I'm going to give one of y'all because I'm like, don't mess it up, Deb. All right, Nominee, y'all look how pretty that is. I put the supplies for this in case you want to get it. There's a separate link for some white notebooks. And I think this is a great size to put in your backpack or your purse, to take it along to church or wherever you want to take it. Some of y'all may be going to football games, soccer games, that kind of thing, and you might need to make a note. Thanks, Janet. Okay. And now for the words forever and ever, amen. And wasn't that a song? I think this forever and ever, amen was a song too. But I don't know who sang it. Does anybody know who sang it? Adria, I 1000% agree. All right. Now it's ready to live. Hey, Bonda. And listen, anytime we have these specials, like when it's buy one, get one free, when it's, you know, place a $50 order and get the free paste, you can place as many orders as you want. It's not limited. And I love that. oh y'all, this is pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And remember, the board erasers are back. Y'all, can you see that nominee? It's gorgeous. All right, let's get this dry. Randy Travis, okay. And I gotta get ready to watch the comments. So once I get this dry, thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. And look, if you want the supply list, plus you want all the information for the Perks Palooza, the freebies, if you're not a Perks member, join. You're going to get a discount code to use later on. And look, I love, you know, sharing the perks with you guys, especially, I call y'all super crafters, people that are crafting every day. You're crafting for family, you're crafting for fun. Thanks, Judy. Okay. Okay. Ooh, that got a little hot. It got a little hot. All right, here's the question. And I know a lot of you guys know Barry, but I had a thought today, and I thought, this is going to be my question. Oh, you're going to write your blood pressure? Oh my gosh, that's so good. They do always want to know. And mine's always high when they're asking me. I got that face a little hot. Okay, here's the question. And the first one I see, and y'all, you know how Facebook is. It's going to be the first one I see, and I'm going to be looking for it. This year's 2026, and I had this thought earlier. The winner is the first one that I see who guesses how many years Barry and I have been married this year. So I'm going to be looking. Oh, thanks, Karen. This is the wind-blown look. I did wash it this morning. All right, I'm watching. So the first one I see that guesses how many years Barry and I have been married this year. Our anniversary is in August. But I was like, oh my gosh, we're not getting older. Look, I'm still looking. So somebody guess how many years we've been married this year. I don't see the correct number yet, but I'm looking. Nobody's got it yet. Oh my goodness. If y'all are seeing the numbers that are out there, none of them are correct. Keep guessing. Somebody is going to get this for Happy Meal. All right, Debbie Lawrence Travis. Let me do a screenshot. We will be married 40 years this year. Debbie Lawrence Travis is the first one I saw. I gotta try to get back to it so I can screenshot it. There was somebody right under her that was close. Debbie Lawrence Travis. Debbie Lawrence Travis, message me your shipping address. I'm writing your name down real quick so I won't forget. Now I can't say nothing. Isn't that crazy? I was just like, that hit me tonight, and I was like, what? We've been married 40 years this year. And we've known each other for 43 years. Debbie Lawrence Travis is the winner. I just need your info. I hope I didn't mess this up. Hey, oh, another thing. Jenny added some super cute bundles of napkins to the cutout shop. I put that link in the information too. Da, 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 da. Okay, Debbie Lawrence Travis. I think that's funny because we said the singer was Travis. All right, amen's the keyword. Debbie is our winner. I got to get her info and get this sent out. Check all of the buy one, get one free surfaces. Y'all, say for instance, if you want that big chalkboard that has the, like the bee design around it, put 2 of them in there, one of them's free. Or pick something else out. Of course, you know the lower priced item is going to be free. I'm excited for y'all to check out all the goodies, and don't forget, these are last chance. The transfer that goes with it's last chance. All of these, and look, all of my chicken friends, these beautiful flowers, this cross, y'all. This is just like a drop in the bucket. Don't forget these, so many cuties. Check out Jenny's napkin bundles. They're beautiful. You're going to want 1 of each, 2 of each. They're very affordable. Go check them out. Y'all, have a great night, and I will see y'all later. And look, y'all tell me in the comments how long y'all have been married, because 40 years does not seem possible. Back when we were so young, who would have known? We are making it. I'm not going to say we made it, because we're still making it every day. All right. Love you guys. Have a great night, and see y'all later.